Yo, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Caesar salad. Let's get started. All right, so the first step is we're going to make some croutons. We're just going to cut 4 slices of some good quality bread. Personally, I'm using some Como bread, but you can use whatever you have. The next thing we're going to do is just kind of julienne the pieces of bread, and then we're going to dice it into the nice crouton shape. Personally, I left the crust on the croutons, but I know a lot of people, get rid of it. I think it'll be a little more even if you do get rid of the crust, but I don't really think it's necessary. And now I'm just quickly chopping up some parsley, and then I'm going to use the microplane with 2 cloves of garlic. And we're just going to add those to the croutons and adds a really nice flavor. I'm also going to add some salt, some pepper, and then 1 tablespoon of oil. And then I'm just going to stir it around and just make sure it's really thoroughly mixed together. These croutons are really good. We're using them for the Caesar salad today, but you could use these for, whatever purpose you have croutons for. It'd be really good in a soup as well. All right, they look pretty well mixed. Now I'm just going to add it to a baking tray and then put it in the oven at 400 degrees for between 10 and 12 minutes. And then about halfway through, check on them and maybe, just move them around a little bit. Croutons look really good. I'm just going to mix them around a little bit and then put them back in the oven for another minute or 2. All right, the croutons are out of the oven. They look really good, nice and golden brown. I'm just going to add them onto another sheet just with some paper towel underneath just to get some of the excess oil off. All right, now I'm going to get started on the actual salad. I'm just going to chop up some of the romaine lettuce. You could also, I think, buy a bag in the grocery store that's already pre-cut if you wanted to. But we're just going to do it the old-fashioned way. Now our romaine is cut. I'm just going to wash it in some icy cold water and then rinse it. I also use 3 heads of romaine lettuce. All right, now we're going to get started with the Caesar dressing. I'm just going to start by grating 4 to 5 tablespoons of Parmesan. And then I'm just going to finely chop up some anchovies. I'm going to chop up 3 anchovies, but if you're not the biggest fan, maybe just use 1 or 2. All right, now we can get started mixing this dressing together. First, I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic that are minced. Then I'm going to add 1 egg yolk, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce as well. Next, we're just going to add our finely chopped anchovies. All right, I'm going to start by just mixing that together, and then we're going to slowly add in the oil and emulsify it. If you had an emulsion blender, you could definitely use that and it would be a bit quicker. You could also use a regular blender, but I'm just going to show you how to do it if you just have a plain whisk. So we're just going to slowly add in the oil. And then we're also just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and then some black pepper as well. All right, so the secret to emulsifying it is just adding in the oil really slowly to start with while you're whisking it, and then you can kind of start adding it a little more gradually once you've got about half of the oil in. Kind of notice while you're doing this, as you add the oil, the color will change a little bit, and then same with the texture. The dressing looks a bit thick right now. Don't worry, because we're going to add the juice of half a lemon. And what it's going to do is add some freshness, but then also kind of let down our dressing a little bit so it's not too thick. And you can also add a tablespoon or 2 of water if your dressing was still too thick. All right, our dressing looks really nice and glossy. It tastes really nice as well. Now we're going to get started with the actual salad. So now we're just going to add a couple spoons of the dressing onto the lettuce, and then we're just going to mix it around really thoroughly. I'm going to use these wooden spoons to toss the salad, but you could also just use your hand if you felt more comfortable doing that. Super excited for the Caesar. My mom used to make Caesar salad for me and my brother all the time, and it is definitely our favorite salad of all time. She kind of mastered it. All right, now our salad is mixed together nicely. I'm just gonna add some of those croutons. I'm using about half the ones that I made, and then I'm gonna mix that together. And the croutons will kind of help soak up if there's any like excess dressing. And then last, but certainly not least, we're gonna add 4 to 5 tablespoons of Parmesan on top. Really starts looking like a Caesar once you start adding the Parmesan on. I also recommend cutting some lemon wedges just to have next to salad. It's very nice. Just gonna give this one last mix and then we're all good to go. I like to also have some extra Parmesan on the side just to add to like the individual salads. Just gonna plate it up now. You'll also have some extra dressing left over, which you could use for like sandwiches or wraps, and it's really good. All right, here we have a beautiful Caesar salad. I'm just gonna add a little more Parmesan on top. All right, everybody, the Caesar looks great. I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a taste test. It's really good. Caesar is the best salad out there. Yeah, that's really good. I'm just gonna taste one of the croutons now by itself. Croutons are great. They're nice and crunchy, and you also really get some of that garlicky flavor. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Bye.